Greetings everyone from around the world. A music student Ami is here, and welcome to the first episode of Gen Z Talks. Today's topic is music, and of course I love music. It's quite a big part of my life, so we're going to talk about it a lot today. You may not know this, but I really like singing since I was 3 years old. And now I'm majoring in music in college. That's why I invited some of my close friends to come and have a chat in this episode. So let's get straight into today's topic. But before that, let me show you our guest. So hi guys, can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Okay, let's start with me. Hello everyone, my name is Nita Noviana Sulistiani, but most of my friends call me Nita or Mimi. And I'm also a music student and also friend of Ami. Nice to meet you all.
Okay, hello friend, let me introduce myself. My name is Ripali Chaniago. I'm usually called Chingo, but Ami and other my close friend call me Koko. Nice to meet you all.
That is all. My name is Espanola Clarisatinova. I am also a music student just like them. And of course, I am very happy to be able to learn all about music. Especially, I was invited by one of my good friends to talk about music. I'm really looking forward to it.
Hello.
That's an interesting introduction from them. So let's start with the question one. What types of music do you like to listen to?
Okay, in general, I like songs that have a magical fantasy melody in them, like a Serena song entitled Mengenang Bintang.
Well, for me, I like pop song the most because lately I have also been enjoying listening to J-pop song from artists like Ado and Yoasobi. The genre of the song is like a vocaloid and maybe a good rock.
And for me, I really like an old music, like 80s and 90s music, because I like the vibes. Oh, and I also have a favorite song too. It's How Deep Is Your Love by Bee Gees. That's a one for me.
Oh yeah, speaking of the favorite song, can you name the top 3 best songs for the moment?
Of course, as I said, I like Yoasobi song so much, so my top 3 in Ultramarine by Yoasobi, and next to Remember by Biba Dubi and Love and Apaya by Salma Salsabil.
Oh, and me is the song that I mentioned earlier, How Deep Is Your Love by Bee Gees, If Ever You're In My Arms Again by Biba Bryson, and the top 3 is Indonesian song. It's Esokan Masih Ada by Utha Likumahua. I actually listen to a lot of songs, but basically the music genre that I like is a pop. How about you, Kok?
As for me, mate, I mostly listen to K-pop song. That's why in my top 3, the first place in the song from a girl group in Korea is named Different, and the song from them that I like the most is Rope, and then the second one is Indonesia song Mengenang Bintang by Sherina, and the third one is Kembang Perawan by Gita Gutawa. Even though I like many K-pop songs, but I really good Indonesia song can also be my favorite.
Very interesting. So now, to minimize the time, we'll go into the next question. Melody and lyrics, which come first? Maybe you can go first, man. Because as far as I know, you're a very good vocalist, and not only that, you also took vocal studies at the college, right? So maybe you can try to answer first.
Oh, thank you, me. I really appreciate your compliment. So my answer is personally choose the lyric first because I really prioritize the feelings that will reaches everyone, and I think it's easier because during my vocal exam and making my own songs, I've always made the lyric first from the story that I experienced. After the lyrics are finished, I will start thinking about the melody that fits and nice to be played by my band, and I also can sing it well later.
For me, it depends on the person. There are people who focus more on making the lyrics first before the melody, and there are also those who focus more on the melody before moving on to the lyrics. But I prefer the lyrics first because I feel that if the lyrics are written first, I can determine the melody from the lyrics.
I totally agree with Espa because I also talk about writing the lyrics first and then thinking about the melody from the lyric I had written.
Okay friends, guys, maybe that's all for this podcast with Kova Espa and Mita. See you in the next episode of Gen Z Talks. Bye bye!